today's video, I am taking this cabinet from this to this. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. I want to take just a moment and welcome you to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I am actually sitting in my primary bathroom and I am getting ready to do the last cabinet in this room before we move to the guest bathroom. This cabinet is a little chaotic, a little out of control. Before renovations, my husband did not use this bathroom, so I had all of the cabinets to myself. Now he uses this bathroom, so we have to share a little bit of the cabinet space. The problem I'm having with this particular cabinet is every time I go to get out my hair supplies, it's just this little container that I keep my hair products in, my hair dryer, I have to move a basket of his stuff. So the last time I was in Home Goods, I found this little stackable shelf, and I'm hoping that his products will fit here. And I also keep just my essential to this bathroom cleaners in here in this bathroom as well. So I'm hoping the cleaners will fit on the top and his stuff will fit on the bottom. That is the plan, but we shall see. If this does not work out, I have plenty of other cabinets that I can use this in, so I went ahead and removed the price tag. So let's go ahead and get busy with this cabinet.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do. Most of the times I think I'll make it through, but all that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows. It hurts just a little, along with my friends, and we drank till dawn. So I can't remember how it would feel to wake up in that bed right beside you. All of the memories I tried to erase just comes back when I'm sober, and I see that face and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows because it shivers. It's cold in the dark without you in my arms, yeah, it shivers, it all.
I know that cleaning in a tight space like this, it is so hard for me to capture everything on camera. So each time I place something, I try to kind of sit back just a little bit so that you can kind of see the placement of what I'm doing. And this was kind of like working a jigsaw puzzle to figure out how I wanted to place all of these cleaning products. I do also want to take a moment to say hello in case you happen to be new to my channel. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher turned housewife and a heart warrior. And I also want to say hello to all of my returning subscribers. I love and appreciate you so much. Your support means more than I could ever tell you. So just thank you so much for spending part of your day with me and for always being encouraging and uplifting. And I just adore each and every one of you so very, very much.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know if I cope without you. Yeah, it shivers. Nobody
shelf really helped. I can put my cleaning supplies up here, and I have my husband's supplies here, and then I can grab this basket again, and I do not have to move anything in front of it, so it looks so much better, so much easier to grab everything out, and I think it turned out well. So I did manage to find a few items to remove from that space, which really helped to free up some room. So I'm just going to quickly go over what I'm decluttering. I have some expired items. This purple shampoo, so I'm going to throw this in the trash. I have this shampoo, so I'm going to throw this in the trash. This conditioner, which actually is almost empty anyway. I have this shampoo that my husband tried and did not like, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this away. And then I have two items to either reuse in another cabinet or to declutter. And that is this white basket and this black rope woven basket. So I think that it looks really good. It did not take long at all, and I'm so glad to have that checked off of my list. I hope this video motivated or inspired you in some way. When I have a big task, it really helps me to break it down into small, more manageable tasks, like just doing one drawer, one cabinet at a time, and just a little bit makes a lot of progress. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.